there. Hey, I just wanted to share with you these motorcycle Bluetooth speakers I installed. Great addition to the bike if you love music or if you want to listen to your favorite radio station. They do have an FM function. They do come with an antenna that you can mount anywhere on your motorcycle that gives you the best reception. Very easy to use, very easy to mount. It's one bolt, one clamp. Do come with some different thickness rubber spacers for both vibration dampening and to securely mount to your handlebars. It's basically one wire that comes down. You mount it and attach it to your battery, positive and negative. These are waterproof, so no need to worry about them getting wet. Riding in the rain, you'll get to listen to your music. Very easy operation, simply power it on.
FM mode.
I can tune in to radio stations, turning the dial. You can adjust the volume via the power button.
About how Texas is.
The sound quality is actually pretty darn good. You can switch modes.
Bluetooth mode.
Very easy to pair. Find the device on your phone, which is S7, and it's connected. You want to switch between FM mode and Bluetooth, simply push the mode button.
Talking about how great Texas is.
If you want to adjust the station, simply turn the dial. Power them off, push and hold, and it's that simple. Bullet style shape, nice design, pretty cool.